Are you struggling as a day trader? Yeah, you, I'm talking to you. Yeah, okay, perfect. Just want to make sure. So, I have the perfect day trading strategy that can help you turn your struggles into profits. Okay, now I'm not saying it's the be all, the holy grail, but if you understand how this day trading strategy works, it will really help you with your entries. This strategy actually tells you exactly where to take profits, and it also tells you where to take stop losses. And there's no fancy indicators. You could use this on any software with any chart, stocks, futures, crypto, whatever you want, Forex, okay? And this strategy, I've been using it for the past 15 years and it works in all markets. And trust me, I've been in all different markets, especially the past 15 years, okay? I've been day trading for 23 plus years and I've seen every market there pretty much could be. So with that being said, go to the link down below. It's my free ebook, okay? Sign up for it and you will get the #1 day trading strategy that I personally use. And I guarantee you, if you actually follow this, read the book, understand how this strategy works, it will really help you with your own strategy. Let me know in the comments down below, what struggles do you have? Are there things that you're struggling with in your own trading? Maybe I can help you. I also do one-on-one mentoring and coaching of trading. So if you want to reach out, my information down in the description, but hopefully you'll pick up my free ebook. Again, there's no charge for it, and hopefully it will change your life, because when I learned it, I know it changed my life for the better. So till next time, we'll talk to you soon.